Hello everyone, welcome back to PrimeMotorMax, your trusted place for detailed bike reviews, comparisons, and the latest motorcycle updates. Today we are reviewing one of the most popular and reliable commuter bikes in the 125 cubic centimeters segment, a Honda Shine 125. This bike has been a favorite choice for millions of riders because of its strong performance, excellent mileage, and affordable price. If you want a practical bike for daily use, this could be the perfect option for you. Starting with the design, Honda Shine 125 comes with a clean, simple, and premium look. It may not be very sporty, but it looks elegant and mature, which suits riders of all age groups. The stylish headlamp, chrome touches, and attractive body graphics give it a modern feel. The long and wide seat makes it very comfortable for both rider and pillion, which is great for family use and daily commuting. Now let's talk about the engine performance. Honda Shine 125 is powered by a 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder BS6 engine that produces around 10.7 horsepower power and 11 Nm torque. The engine is extremely smooth and refined, which is something Honda is famous for. There are almost no vibrations, even at higher speeds. The bike feels quick in city traffic and very easy to ride. The biggest highlight is its fuel efficiency. In real-world riding conditions, it delivers around 60 to 65 kilometers per liter, making it one of the best mileage bikes in this segment. Comfort is another strong point of this bike. The soft seat, upright riding posture, and well-tuned suspension make long rides very comfortable. Bad roads and speed breakers are handled easily without too many jerks. The lightweight body also helps in better control and easy handling. In terms of features, you get a semi-digital meter, silent start system, side stand engine cutoff, and CBS braking for safety. These useful features make everyday riding more convenient. The maintenance cost is also low, and Honda's reliability ensures long-term peace of mind.